Hey everyone! Today I'll share my 45-day experience with Mitolyn, and let me just say, it completely surprised me. I lost 15 pounds without starving myself, without crazy workouts, and with zero side effects. I'll be honest, at first I thought Mitolyn was just another scammy weight loss pill. You know the type, all hype, no results. But after trying it myself, I realized it's nothing like the others. And today I'll tell you everything what worked, what didn't, and why I'd actually recommend it to anyone struggling to lose weight. Stay with me until the end. I'll tell you where I buy the original Mitolyn supplement at a discount price. But first, I started researching why metabolism slows down, and that's how I found out about mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. They control how we turn food into energy. As we age or get stressed, they slow down. That's when fat starts sticking. What happened over the 45 days? Week 1, no major weight change, but my energy improved. I didn't feel like napping midday. My cravings at night eased up. No jitters, no side effects. Week 2, my clothes started fitting differently. I was only 3 pounds down, but my jeans told a different story. I didn't feel puffy anymore. By day 30, I had lost 6 pounds total, but more importantly, I looked leaner. My waist shrunk. I didn't bloat after eating. People started asking what I was doing differently. And all I could say was, I'm just taking something that's helping my body do what it's meant to do. Today, day 45, I'm down 15 pounds. My mood is stable, my energy is consistent, and for the first time in years, I'm not constantly thinking about food. I feel like my metabolism is alive again. No gimmicks, no extremes, just steady, real progress. Is Mitolyn worth it? If you're looking for a quick fix, this isn't it. But if you want something that works with your body, not against it, Mitolyn is 100% worth trying. I truly believe it helps reset your metabolism from the inside out through the mitochondria. But here's the catch. Avoid fake Mitolyn products. That's why I'm only sharing the official link in the description. That is where I got mine, and it's the only place that offers the real formula plus a 90-day money-back guarantee if you don't see result. So yes, I 100% recommend it as long as you buy from the official site only, not third parties. Give it at least 30-45 days to see results. Stay consistent with basic movement, water intake. So click the link in the description or comments to get the real deal, and remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel.